ladies, welcome back to my channel and happy new year's, you guys. Yolissa sent me over this gorgeous unit. I worked with them in the past and all of their units have been quality, so I'm excited. Let's go ahead and put her on. Y'all know I'm a side part girl and I thought that would be perfect. This is no glue. Y'all, no glue. All I did was tighten my band, and honestly, if I tighten a little bit more, I probably could get away with wearing this. Actually, I can get away with wearing this glueless. I like to cut a little bit at a time just because I want to build it up. I don't want to just cut too much. I like to see, I can tell this is, I still got a little bit more to cut off. Honestly, this could be a clean hairline. Like, maybe that looks really good, like really good.
Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I just wanted to come and show you guys. I actually like it. I ended up tucking this side in the back of my ear just because I wanted to see how it looked pulled back. And I really do like it. This unit does come pre-plucked. It came pre-bleached, and it also came pre-curled. So when I say you don't have to do too much to it, you really don't. I like to call myself a wig connoisseur because y'all, like, I'm really strict when it comes to lace. Like, I know what I like, and I just like what I like. And this is really, really pretty. I knew for a fact, like when I first got it, that it was going to be great when I seen that plucking work that was done. The detail, they paid attention. Even when a unit is pre-plucked, sometimes I still have to go in and just kind of make my, you know, small, tiny changes in the frontal area. And I did none of that, you guys. So that speaks ball perfectionist in me, y'all. I'm working on it. I really, that's how I would wear it. Glueless. It looks and feels secure. This is 28 inches. As far as the hair, like you can see, the luster of it is really nice. The hair is very, very soft, you guys. It is keeping a curl, but this is the hair, to me personally, that you may have to touch up the curls unless maybe you're using a wand. Now, I did use a traditional barrel. I used this one and then my larger one to kind of pop in the curls. And I kind of did that off camera here and there. Just y'all see me curl my hair so many times, so it just wasn't necessary to show the full process. Put a little bit of hairspray in there. We cut a little bit of layers in it, and it gave me that added volume that I feel like I needed. You have a nice amount of parting space, like if you wanted to, you know, pull it back. This actually will be really, really cute pull back on it. And so when I put it down, it immediately just blended in to the skin, which is why I didn't pull out as many baby hairs, because you just don't need it. Like, you really don't, unless you are just a baby hair, like, you know, like a dramatic baby hair person. I would say go for it, but you don't necessarily have to do all of that with this unit. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Y'all let me know, are we feeling this unit? I really want to add a few more layers. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will check you guys later.